Royal Farms care package. That's right, we're gonna get into this. It's Billy, Strong's Adventures in Papa, Texas. We're gonna open these 3 boxes up today and show you some awesome stuff. That's right, that's right.
That's right.
That's
wow.
right. Yeah, we'll be right back and we get reset up. Yeah. We're repositioned and we're back. I'm hoping y'all aren't too far away. This got some stuff in it that I want to tell you about, and then we're going to talk about these 2 that have something to do with it also. Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
All right. That's yours. That's right. Okay, so Royal Farms, here's what they did. They saw a video that we had a care package from Harmon Heat. We'll talk about him in a minute and his channel. Harmon Heat sent us some stuff, and one of the things he sent us is this. Right there. Marketplace Royal Farms potato chips, Chesapeake Bay, a crab seasoning. We went crazy over these things. So what did Royal Farms do? They sent us a care package. Yeah, we got more. We got 2 more packages that have something to do with this, so hang in there. Billy?
Royal Farms. This is great. Oh, wow.
I'm opening mine up.
Papa's using his knife. I don't need all that. I don't need all that.
Check that out. Yeah.
Wow.
Look at that. That is awesome. It's my size. They must have read my bio. Oh, and then they gave us some of those cheese curls. Chesapeake Bay crab seasoning cheese curls.
Those are good, but they're not like these chips. Oh! Yes!
Yeah. We got
Wow!
some sweaters for this winter.
Yeah. Y'all check that out.
Look at that. Yeah.
It's about 102 right now.
That's awesome, man. I think it was cold when they sent them to us.
It was cold when they sent them. So, kudos to them. Thank you very much.
Awesome, man.
Don't be touching. Are those my chips?
You can have a cheese roll. I'm after these. Yeah. All right.
You see, I'm already into mine, right?
I just ate dinner, but they'll be gone. Oh.
This is a cool sweatshirt.
And this is a cool. Let's see what it says. Palooza. Oh, it's like Lollapalooza, but it's called Chicken Palooza 2018. How cool is that? That a company sends us items. It's not gonna stay. Well, I can't see. Alright, so
You can see mine because I'm wearing it.
so we're gonna go. It's too freaking hot out here. Like you said.
I'm not wearing this one. I'm wearing my t-shirt.
You got 2 t-shirts on.
Yeah.
Okay, so how all this happened. So Harmon Heat sent us a care package. We opened it up. We went crazy on it. Royal Farms pitches in there. Alright, so we need more.
We need a truckload. We need a truckload. We need a truckload.
So we worked out a deal with Harmon Heat. He's gonna be getting stuff from us too.
Yes, he is.
He sent us 2 care packages and we're gonna open them up, have not opened them up yet. And we're gonna see what's in them.
Live on Memorex.
Hooked up.
Looky at the goodness.
Remember there's 2 boxes. But check this out. We're gonna fix to bring this stuff out. Look at that. Got some tasty cakes.
The tasty. Oh, yes. You know me and them tasty cakes.
I wonder what's in box number 2.
Let's back up over a little bit more towards the table.
Good idea. All right, remember we got one more box to open, but let's check this out. We're gonna even this out. Chesapeake Bay crab seasoning, that is what we wanted.
Yeah, we're gonna even it out. I done got into some of these, and
A little bit bigger bag, a little bit bigger bag.
Oh,
when you're really hungry.
Oh yeah.
Oh, these are the ones you really like. Candy cakes, peanut butter candy cakes. The tasty cake crimpettes. We had those too.
Those were awesome. Y'all really hooked us up, and we really, really, really appreciate it.
Tasty cake, tasty crisps. We're gonna be splitting those up this weekend, but we each got our own chips.
That's true.
These are yours, these are mine.
Yeah.
We're in good shape there.
I'm not sharing my chips, so it's a good thing. It's a really good thing that you know how I like these chips. These chips are awesome.
I'm gonna leave you a link to the original video. Right there.
It's gonna be over there.
I think
It's gonna be over there. It's over there. Rhonda yells at me all the time. It's over there.
that's where I'll pop a text or something.
Well, that's where you go. Hey, here's roll.
It'll be at the end of this video. And I'm gonna leave a hashtag to Harmon Heat and a hashtag to Royal Farms. We got one more box to unopen, but real quick.
To unopen? Or are we gonna open?
Open.
Because sometimes unopening is not as good as opening. Because I like to open these chips. These chips are the best
Now they're unopened.
ever. These chips are unopened. Yes, you're right.
You know to do that.
I apologize. My bad. These chips are so good, I forgot to actually show the front of the package. Because they're that good.
All right. You know what? I'm leaving a link to Harmon Heat.
I'm leaving a link to Harmon Heat.
That's
I'm
right.
also,
What are they about? They do, they've got that funny video out there right now about Area 51. That was pretty funny. But also they like peppers, hot sauces. They're doing challenges with them.
Justin over there, Justin, not in, Justin. Don't spell his name wrong. He gets kind of offended every once in a while.
Justin Senior.
That's right.
Senior.
Because he is senior in that troop over there. He is the senior one of the troop. They really love their hot sauce. It's awesome though, and it's hot. I'm sure at the end of the video, it will be there. I'm gonna go back to eat my chips.
And when you go over there, tell them Billy and Papa sent you. Yeah. Wow.
Oh wow. What'd you get there, Papa?
Burger cookies. Remember those?
The booger cookies.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yes.
Check that out. Look at the size of them.
Look at the booger cookies.
Justin, that is awesome. We're going to be eating this tomorrow. We're going to put it in the refrigerator, I guess, or at least in the air condition. It's hot out here. Oh, it even got a Royal Farm bag. Yeah.
That is cool. Y'all go check out Royal Farms.
Look how nice they were to us, sending us a care package. You know, they're up in Maryland, and
Maryland.
Maryland. Yeah.
If I was eating these chips every day, I'd be married too.
All right, folks. It's Papa.
And Billy from Strong's Adventures.
And we appreciate it. Links are below. Check out Royal Farms. Check out Harmon Heat. That's right, our buddy. Justin Sr. in Maryland. Yeah.
So Justin Sr. is really cool.
Yeah.
And so is
Papa Texas. Oh.
He's okay, but he's
Royal
okay.
Farms.
But Royal Farms is pretty neat too.
Appreciate it.
We really do. Thank y'all.
We will see y'all Thank you for watching. Leave us some comments. Leave a thumbs up. Yeah, we love it. We love it. We will see y'all next time on the Papa and Billy Show. Yeah.
Wow.